Howdy, I just got the Bambu Lab A1 Combo in the mail, and today we're going to be unboxing it, setting it up, and seeing just how easy it is to get our first 3D print. If this thing works like people say, this might be one of the easiest ways to get started with multicolor 3D printing. Alright, let's open it up. The first thing we'll see is the build plate and some instructions. And then just below that is the AMS Lite. It's what provides us with the ability to print with up to 4 different colors on a single print. And below the AMS is the 3D printer itself. It's been packaged really nicely to prevent any damage in transit. Bambu Lab includes a quick start guide in order to help with the assembly once you've unboxed it, but there's also an unboxing video that you can watch through a QR code. Setup is actually pretty straightforward. You're mostly just removing packaging, plugging everything in, and following the instructions. There's no complicated assembly, no guesswork. It's very beginner friendly. Loading filament is super simple, especially with the AMS Lite system. You just feed it in and the printer takes care of the rest. From there, I selected a pre-loaded model and started my very first print. Alright, moment of truth. Here's how the first print turned out, called a Benchy. Honestly, for a first print right out of the box, this is pretty impressive. I didn't do any tuning or adjustments, it just worked. So far, the Bambu Lab A1 Combo is really living up to the hype. I'm looking forward to using this some more and I'll report back on future videos. Thanks for watching. As always, please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.